Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love, a vegan recipe edition. This is my new love, this every fish's tuna fish sandwich, every fish's favorite.
Every fish's favorite tuna fish sandwich. So Jeffrey and I just got back from an amazing workout with infrared, and what you really want to do when you come back from something like that is make sure that you have a really nice protein-packed lunch. And as vegans, how many times do we get asked, where do you get your protein? Well, today this is a beautifully high protein lunch. So what we have is, as Jeffrey said, a vegan tuna salad, which is every fish's favorite. We start with an organic garbanzo bean. Just so you know, there are, the protein in here, 8 grams of protein per serving. So 24 grams of protein in this tiny little box, which is amazing. Aside from protein is in all foods. So what I do is I take the garbanzo beans, I drain them, I will put them into my bullet and I'll blend them up. I will add a little bit of vegan mayo. Oh, I forgot that. Let's see, we have the vegan mayo. I will add a little vegan mayo. There are lots of different brands. We do like this, follow your heart, but any of the brands that you like is great. So I'll put my chickpeas and my vegan mayo, and then the secret sauce, which is a few sheets of roasted seaweed. And this really makes a huge difference. And you can see these are roasted. They're really nice. Put in as many as you want, at least 2. But if you really like that seaweedy flavor, go for it. And I will blend all of that in my blender.
And let me say, we probably should do a blend, but I know this is made and we're doing this last minute. I asked you to show up because it was so good yesterday. This is really my leftovers. But with that being said, you don't blend it all the way through, because I've tried to do this on my own and I blend it too much and make it like mush. So.
Right. You don't want it to be totally mushy. You want it to have a little bit of texture. And again, if you're a texture person and you want it completely blended out, by all means, do it your way. But we like to add a little bit of texture. After the mayo and the chickpea, and I usually put salt and pepper in here as well. You can also do it afterwards. After those are blended, then I will take a beautiful, the onions, the organic vidalias are so crunchy and sweet right now. So I will take a thick slice of onion and dice that up. We got some gorgeous organic celery from our haul from Rustic Roots, who does home delivery out here in East Hampton. And I'll dice that up. Rustic Roots also delivered this exquisite organic romaine lettuce, which we use for our base. And in Jeffrey's case, he's having a 21-seed vegan bread. You don't have to have any bread if you're gluten-free like me, or if you have a bread of your choice, whatever floats your boat there. So then put the lettuce down, and then a little mound on each one, and these tomatoes also came from a local farm here from our Rustic Roots delivery.
Again, because and I have to eat this soon because I got to jump on a call.
And the orange as well came from Rustic Roots, but it is not local, as we all know that I don't think they grow any oranges here in New York, where we're visiting right now. So that's it. We love everything spicy, so I put a little dusting of this on top for our sandwich. One of these boxes should be enough to make you 2 sandwiches. And if you're really, really hungry, I suppose you could have 1. But again, that is a lot of protein in 1 sandwich. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, put them down below.
Yep.
Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from East Hampton, New York.
This is one of my new favorites. Can't wait to dig in. Thanks, Karen.